Hair fall versus hair breakage. What is the difference? Are you really facing hair fall or your hair is breaking? The shaft is breaking. How will you come to know? A true hair fall is said to occur when hair is shed at the end of telogen phase, which is exogen phase, as you can see in this article on your screen. While hair breakage, that is breaking of the shaft, happens due to several reasons, which doesn't make the hair fall with the root, rather the shaft breaks. So sometimes people get confused whether they are facing hair loss or hair breakage. In this video, we will try to simplify so that you understand which is what, because wrong identification may lead to wrong treatment. So I'll show you a 10-second test which can be done by yourself and then get the treatment accordingly. The test is that from the hair which have fallen down, pick up 2 or 3 hairs and just straighten them out. See both the ends. If you can see a bulb-like structure, which is the hair root at one of the ends, it means the hair is falling with the root. Then it is mainly hair fall. Otherwise, if there is no root involved, it can be hair breakage. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital Agra, dealing with so many hair loss patients and people who want hair transplant for their balding scalps. We are now educating you in this educational series regarding various problems related to hair loss. Do not forget to subscribe this channel for many more such science-backed solutions. Now, 3 clear signs to confirm at once whether it is hair fall with the root or it is hair breakage just from the shaft. So first sign we already discussed. You have to examine the whole shaft and find out whether you can see a bulb-like structure, which is the root. If it is there, it means you are having a full length hair fall. Second is usually length of the hair. Now everybody knows how long my hair is. If the breakage is of a very small part, then the usual length of your hair without the root, it means mainly you are having hair breakage. Third is pattern of the problem. If you are losing hair from a particular part of the scalp, which leads to scalp show in any particular area, like in females usually it is mid scalp, in males it could be the temples or the crown or even mid scalp, then it means you are having a pattern sort of hair fall, and that is a hair fall. So if you can categorize yourself in any of the 3 and you definitively can answer the question for yourself, then it is okay. Otherwise, do not wait any more weeks or months. Try to see a hair doctor as soon as possible. Let me explain to you quickly the hair cycle. Hair grows in cycles. On the scalp, the growing phase, enargent phase, is in years. It could be 2 to 6 years. Then comes the catagen phase, which is in maximum it could be 2 to 3 weeks, in which there is a club-shaped formation of the root, and mainly the hair growth at the root is stunted, it is club-shaped, and it is about to go in the silent phase, dormant phase, which is the telogen phase, resting phase. Resting phase may be in months. After resting or telogen phase, there is exogen phase, where the shaft is shed off, but the new hairs has already started coming out from the germ centers at the root of the hair. Now, hair also requires proper care. This is where Rootinly supports your hair. It takes care of the scalp, the hair environment milieu, where the hair grows from within, the germ centers, tailored as per yourself, so that the hair and the follicular hair growth is better. So when there are multivitamin deficiencies and you are provided with the multivitamins, or you are stressed and you are provided with soothing mechanisms, or you are having some hormonal DHT related reasons of stunted hair growth, miniaturized hair growth, hair shedding, patterned hair loss, and you are provided with DHT regulators, you are provided medical treatment like minoxidil, and on top of everything, a routine for your things, then you know that you are in safe hands and you can carry out your treatment accordingly. Comment Rootinly in the comment section below if you want to know more. It is important that I tell you here what are the common reasons behind hair breakage. One of the commonest reasons is more and more hair styling by definite heat styling methods, which are done again and again, chemical hair styling, then harsh shampoos or very vigorous drying of hair, nutritional deficiencies, so many things which make your shaft weak. If you keep on pressing your hair by warm presses, then maybe there is a bubble effect in the hair shaft which makes a air bubble, and at that very point the structure of the shaft becomes very weak and brittle, so that it snaps and it breaks as it tries to stretch itself. So this is one of the commonest reasons of hair breakage. One of the common mistakes when we do not identify between the two is having same treatment for both both the problems, like using hair oil for both hair breakage and hair fall, which may not help you at all. Using anti-hair fall products for breakage and ignoring the scalp when the problem is root based. Why? Because wrong treatment delays the results. We have told you the treatment for hair fall in many videos, but now it is important that I tell you, if you're feeling your hair shaft is breaking from in between, you should definitely take a few steps, like do not go for excessive heat treatment or chemical treatment for your hair, very tight hair styling, very harsh SLS or with sulfate shampoos and other styling products. Also take care of your nutrition. You do not want nutritional imbalances to affect your shaft, and above all, do see your doctor if you are not able to identify and you don't know what to do. Do not forget to share this video with people who are having hair loss but they are confused about it. If you want to see how this patient regains his hair after hair transplant, you can click the link on the left, and 5 signs of healthy versus unhealthy hair. You can click the link on the right.